Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I am the Nurse Flipper. I am a part-time reseller out of North Florida, and I sell on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Facebook Marketplace. Lately, Facebook Marketplace has been really surprising me. We've gotten quite a few sales, and it has surprised me. So I am going to show you guys how I list on Facebook Marketplace and how easy it is to have ship sales over there. So let's do this. All right, guys. So I have been getting a lot of questions about Facebook Marketplace. I am not new to Facebook Marketplace, but I am new to Facebook Marketplace with shipping. So what I'm going to do is I will turn you guys around and I'm going to kind of show you step by step what I do to list on Facebook Marketplace. So if you're brand new, this will be from the beginning all the way till the end. And then I also am going to post up here, and I'll kind of walk you guys through this now. So I use List Perfectly. I'm going to show you that as well. And all of my listings are based out of eBay because I like to use eBay's background remover to make my photos look more professional. So if I were doing this myself and not using List Perfectly, first I'm going to find the item I want. And then on Facebook, you just click on Marketplace and you click Sell an Item. And then you would make your title of your item. You're going to pick a category. And you will notice when you are looking through Facebook Marketplace categories that it will say shipping available on some, it doesn't on others. A few items, I've put them in a category that's kind of questionable because I know they're shippable, but Facebook might not say that category is shippable. So you want to make sure if you're trying to list them on Marketplace to ship them out, that the category is eligible for shipping. So you would put your title, you would upload your pictures, pick your category, and then you're going to put either shipping only, local pickup only, which I'm sure a lot of people are familiar with, or you can put pickup and shipping. You then will need to enter whether the buyer will pay for shipping or you will pay for shipping. I typically put the buyer is responsible for the shipping, and I am getting my label through Facebook. So the buyer pays Facebook for the amount of my item plus the shipping. One of the downfalls that I will say about Facebook Marketplace is that it does take time to get your payment. They do not release payment until 5 business days after your item has arrived. So if you need the money right away, this would not be a situation that is good for you. It does take a little time, but once they start coming, and I will show you guys the sales we've had, then it's a little more steady. So once you do that and it is sold, you are going to click to generate that shipping label and you can print it. Mine is set for 4x6 because I do have a dymo thermal. If you have just a regular inkjet, you would set it for an 8x10 piece of paper. So it is pretty much as simple as that. I have not found that I've had many lowballers on Marketplace. I have made a couple of bundles for people in which if they bought multiple items on different listings, it would be almost like eBay where you would need to print a label for each one or copy that tracking number. What I did was I amended one listing and said that was the bundle and changed the price so that buyer only had to buy one listing. So I'm going to flip you guys around. I will show you how I list on Facebook Marketplace, what it looks like on the computer. You'll have seen it scrolling here for what it looks like on my phone. And I will also show you how I cross post with List Perfectly. So let's turn around. All right, guys. So I am on my main Facebook page and I am going to click over to Marketplace and you can see create new listing here. If you click this, it is going to go, you can pick the listing type and you would pick sell an item. If you're doing an individual, you would then add your photos, add your price, And over here on the left, you are going to pick your category. So here, if you see like antiques and collectibles, you can see where it says shipping available. So you'll want to make sure that shipping is available for that category. And then once you've had your sale, you click on your account, which takes you to all of your listings. And here you can see it says shipping orders. So over here, it shows that I have 2 items that are waiting to be shipped. So this one, and it tells me that I need to ship by Thursday, November 5th, which I will ship these out on Monday. They did sell over the weekend. And then you can see here, and I've only been selling on Marketplace for about 2 weeks or so now. I have 14 items that have shipped. And when I scroll down here, it shows that they are shipped. I was trying to see if they showed they're delivered, but it doesn't look like they do. And then I had to cancel 2 because these sold over on eBay and I had to cancel them on Marketplace. So here I clicked on one of the items that I need to ship. So you guys can see here, it says create shipping label. And I have 4x6 for my Dymo. So that is that. And when I click create shipping label, it will pop up here. It's as easy as that. And you do have to put in the weight. I'm pointing you guys up. Do not want to show. So here you can see my pending balance. So that's the problem. So you can see here, payment will be initiated 5 days after we receive delivery confirmation of the items. Refunds will be deducted from your next payment. I have not had any returns or requests for refunds. So I have got $173 pending. It is 9 orders. And then down here, you can see the orders that I have been paid for. So October 29th, I received 66, and then I received 9, 6, and 30. So October 21st was my first payout. So that's just at 10 days. And you can see all of these orders that I have made. So now I will show you guys on eBay. Here are my listings. You can see I have 2,588 listings. So when you do list perfectly, you can see up here in the corner, the little, that icon there. And you do have to sign into your list perfectly account first, but you can click on start selecting. And then I will pick 2 items here. And then I will stop selecting and I'll tell it which platforms I want to list on. So for this demonstration, we will just do Facebook and we will hit copy. And you can see up here at the top, it is spinning. And what it'll do, you'll see new tabs open here, is it is going to copy all of my photos over, my title, and my price. So I am not having to go save those photos and do that. So now all I have to do is go over here, scroll down, and I will pick a category. I can do arts and crafts. I can put needle, craft, and yarn, and then embroidery and cross stitch. And this is a pattern. So I guess I can put it under embroidery notions. The price is already copied from List Perfectly. And then I will click on next. And this here is where you will decide shipping and or local pickup. I typically am only doing shipping because I really don't want to deal with people in person. And then using a prepaid shipping label is doing it from Facebook. And these are super light. So I will put under a half a pound. And it tells me I will make $5. So the cool thing with this is that Facebook is not charging any fees right now. So everything you make will come to you. All right, so here I have got shipping only. I've got the package weight, which we can make it here. And then we're going to hit next. And here you can say if you will allow offers or not. I have not been turning this on, and the only lowering I have done is for people who bought bundles. And then down here you would click publish, and it would where it says to create a shipping label. And then you ship it out and you are done. So with List Perfectly, it copies everything over from here. And I do have the business plan, so I can do multiple, like I could pick 5 or 10, and then I can copy them to Marketplace, Mercari, and Poshmark at the same time. All right, guys, so you can see List Perfectly saves a lot of time. I don't want to go in and individually pick the pictures out, save them, and then go post them to Marketplace. It takes a lot of time. So that's why I like having the cross posting software to use, and I cross post to multiple platforms at the same time. So with Facebook Marketplace, it's pretty simple. The only downfall, like I said, is that it does take a while to get your payments. The main thing we have been selling have been crafts and cross stitch items, but that's also the main things that we have been listing on there. So I also have sold a few silver pieces that had very poor sell-through rates on eBay, and they sold very well over on Facebook Marketplace, like within a day or two. So I have not been doing this for a super long time with shipping. I am still new to it. If you guys have any flaws that you have noticed, or if you have any questions, hopefully I can answer. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You will be seeing this on Sunday. So I hope you had a great Halloween and a good weekend. And don't forget also, tomorrow will be the members only live. It is the first Monday of every month. So if you have not joined the channel, it is $1.99 for channel membership. You can join. We have a members only live. I also do members only posts, and you can contact me. We can do like store reviews or any questions you have about eBay or any of the other platforms. Hopefully I can help, and we will discuss that in kind of a smaller group setting. So I will see my members on Monday night, and I will see everybody else on Tuesday night. We do have Primetime Treasure Hunter Dom coming on Tuesday and another special guest. So you guys don't want to miss that. I will see you Tuesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for that. And enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye, guys. You like that?